This is my drawing of Casper the Friendly Ghost, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. We'll begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the nose. So we start on the left side. Let's add a curve going up in the middle and then bend that down towards the right. Now I want to push the cheeks on top of the eyes. So from the left side of the nose, we're going to step over, curve this up and then down, and line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's tuck the eyes in behind the cheeks. On the outside, we're going to step in. We want to draw a large oval. We're going to go all the way around towards the top. Let's round up the eye. Come down, just tuck that in along the inside of the cheek. Let's draw that same size oval on the right. Going up towards the same height. Go all the way around and then in behind. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval. Going up, come down, just tuck that in again behind the cheek. Do the same thing on the right, and it'll fill the pupils in black. Now let's move down and draw on the mouth. We're going to start underneath the left eye, curve the mouth coming down, across, and then up. And then we'll add a bracket facing out on the corners of the mouth. Let's go back to the cheeks. We're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head, starting on the left, bump out the cheek, come across and in. Let's line this up on the right. I want to leave a gap in between the neck. Now we're going to draw the top half of the head, starting back on the left side. We're going to go all the way around, pull this up, almost like drawing a circle, go across the top of the head, come around the right side, and we'll bend that in. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to add two curves for the eyebrows, just pointing these down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the body pushed over towards the right side. So we're going to start on the left, curve the body coming down, go across. Now we're going to pull that up towards the right. Now I'm just going to add the tail. I'm just going to pull this down. Let's line this up over on the right side, draw the right side of the body. You want to taper this so it gets narrower as you come down towards that point. Now we're going to go back and stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start underneath the head on the left, bend this down and out. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now from the wrist, we're going to point the thumbs going up, round up the thumb, and then pull that back in. Let's open up the hands. From the thumb, bend this down and out, round out the hand, come across the bottom and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the hand, step down, curve the arm coming in toward the side of the body. Now I want to separate the fingers with two curves on either side, just pulling that up. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Casper the Friendly Ghost. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.